guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the Coi Leray braids. So this is the pack of hair I use. I don't usually grab this one, but this one is really good. Hold on, I ain't with that. So you have to get his lip. Ponto Moco. Oh, cramp. Can't you subscribe? Can't you subscribe? Blank stare. Hold on. Pause. Now resume it. Oh, give me more subs. So I have 12 parts, 12 braids, and this took me around 2 hours to do, so it's a really quick and easy hairstyle to get done. So it's kind of hard to describe what I do, but I put the hair on top of the plaque and then I start braiding from there. It's like really easy and simple to do to me. But as you can see, I place it on top of where I have the rubber band and then I start braiding from there. And while you're braiding, I recommend to add some gel to your natural hair so the frizz goes down while you're braiding.
That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another.
So right here I recommend using regular scissors, but I didn't have any, so right here I'm using a knife to trim the ends.
It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches I pretend it's you. You work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah. So much to live for, too, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. Too lit for this shit right now. Too busy for this shit right now. Don't wanna talk about this shit right now.
slide on, slide on, slide on. Try on, try on, try on. Put some spotlight. Whatever comes, comes. Do you slide on, slide on, slide on. Try on, try on, try on. Put some spotlight. Whatever comes, comes. Spotlight on my face. Spotlight, put the spotlight on my face. Turn up, we gon' light up, burn up. I'ma do it like what? Too high like the fitness. Got a niggas, I'ma go y'all. Diamonds gon' shine with the light dog. We don't have to go right down the boulevard. Really wanna break us apart. I don't know you're nice like this. Do you try or know you're nice like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Oh